Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, as you can see here, billet forwards, beautifully made, these particular Japanese billet forwards. You see this allows the footpegs to fold up. This one here is actually upside down, okay? But that's my fault putting it together just for this video. But when they come, obviously they come, you ship them in bits. But as you can see, these O-rings obviously go on here on the footrest, look very cool, give it that old sort of school look. Okay, similar for the shifters, and also stops your boots wearing away the billet alley. But with this being a billet alley, it can always be mirror polished back up. This is obviously stainless tube, being chromed. Billet spaces, this bolts on the front of the bike. This particular one's for a VS6 to 800. Okay, quite a complicated bike to do, because on this particular bike, the hole underneath where the footrest normally mount is actually the support cradle for the bike. So when you fit the normal ones like the Jardine, you've actually got to take the whole lot off and support the bike in mid-air with no side stand, no nothing, or on a bike lift obviously. But as you can see, beautifully made. It's proper CNC alley. Made in Italy, not your crap, you know, these are real high-end jobs. Okay, so if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.